Здравствуйте. Нет данных, ты чё? Так. Нормально. Ай, блин, вторая. Да. Посол раром ты это у них чё? Так, ну это задание воркал трата. Вот так, понятно. Погнали. Курсорами хара. Аш миманы далар бутум ол батага тада.
Hi, Arthur. Come here a minute.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do
Не
something
сможешь
with Jack?
как-нибудь развлечь.
He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your
Денег.
nursemaid?
Because he likes you and, well, you know his father's useless.
Ну понятно, о чем идет речь. О чем идет речь, понятно. Понятно, ясненько.
Are you well, sir? Sure. Very, well. Piece of snow, huh? Yes. I take mud over snow any day.
Того быстрый стрим 9,5, того где-то через час 30. Заеми рыбалка тогда. Блин, салат.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything fun?
I guess.
You wanna come fishing with me?
Че? В чем прикол, алё? Плохое. Ее поток поступает слишком медленно. Чё? Малая задержка, это нормальный вывод, да. Так, да. Блин, что опять происходит? Экран камера чёрно видеть. Качество гадает людей.
fishing.
Sure. You're. It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
Балями да
I'll
зае.
mount up and lift you on when you're ready. All right. Hold on tight.
So, where are we going?
Just down to the river near here. We shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
Так, тахтаңыры. Бас, кімден етай? Сейчас, погодите, когда это умирает, настройка надо, да. Чуток, подождите. Нахуй бәйін қос истәуін. Да.
Okay.
You feeling better? I know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
So, just like you.
Well, I don't know about brave. I ain't much of a kid no more. Well, your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. It's been a tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Well,
Нормальный.
we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
I forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
Well, I'm sure someone can get you another storybook.
Really? When?
Well, we'll see. Got fish to catch first. You see that deer? Whoa, easy. All right. This looks as good a spot as any.
Балка.
Should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
Блядь, че это бана антагыл?
Just by the water there? You mean?
Now first, we need some bait. I'm gonna use some cheese.
Сырный хавалар что ли было?
Earlier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod. Back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
Something's tugging at your rod, Uncle Arthur.
Well, ignore that one, Jack. That was my mistake.
Uncle Arthur! You've got a bite, Uncle Arthur?
Ah, too slow there.
Oh, no! This is a great fishing spot.
Don't jinx it, kid.
А, блядь. Алло.
Okay there?
I think so. This is hard. Can I take a break from fishing?
Hukuk
I
тура
want
var.
to make something.
Okay.
Блядь.
I'm gonna pick some of those red flowers. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna try my luck over there.
Перед поклевкой рыбы часто пробует. Ой, бля, ой, бля. Gücülaştım bu temi. Yemeğe bu cadım balıkın. Batırdım balıkın. Başı uyur kirevin de мать да.
I know.
Пошел, бля, мистер Туронака. Бля, атаган рейджер балыктар, бля, оны коян капапын что ли.
Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
Естественно.
I know. Born as hell.
Ой, бля, балыктар стоял.
Something happens.
Оба,
You can
не
get food for
рад.
days,
Really?
if you're lucky. But until then, you just sit, wait, try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Huh.
What are you making there?
You'll see.
Ну, меги мер балык тыгер бала.
I think he's got a bite. Look.
Ah, didn't hook him.
Bad luck.
Мне повезло в бока. Антон Райман там брахтах бана. Айо. Да. Набрал раунда. Харах брали.
Let's try again.
Дара, каравин. Блядь.
Missed him. Well, that's just a part of fishing, Jack.
Attı lan.
See
Harap
that
брать.
cast, Jack? All right. Let's see what's biting there.
Awas. Belli. Walah karang-karang dia banner. Baru gua tahu. Limbal kuat taruh bala.
Fish on the line.
Блядь, balığı tuttum acıkını yiyor bana. Uka. Ettu bля. Ya خمسان غير اللربة الرسكة.
Whoop, think I got one. You see him fighting there, Jack? That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to reel him in. Now seems like he's taking a rest now.
Ага, Барат.
Reeling him
Барат
in
она.
nice and steady. Look, Jack, it's a rock bass.
Каменный окунь,
Yeah,
весом
it's almost
340
as small
килограмм.
as you.
Нихуя,
We
блин.
should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard...
Barsa tới 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 lại
All
rồi.
right, Jack. Your mother will be worried. Let's head back. Come on now, boy.
Pi đó là khảo khảo.
Why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because... Well... Because those are disagreeable men. And I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us, to protect you from folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Well, did you like fishing?
It was... okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is. Yeah.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great! We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
We got a problem. What? I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Uçu yok ha.
Well, I'll be cooked myself if I don't move.
Çok barid. Тут вещь. Фотка. Я фотка неизвестна. Понятно. А это чья за фотка? Опа. Спринг Крокс. Бетрис Морган. Все понял. Так, блин, камера. На час. Тонтет учла, да? Тонтет.
Morning, Arthur.
Добрый, добрый.
Morning, Arthur.
Добрый, добрый.
Good morning.
Жевательный табак. Бля, меха жевательный табак нахуй, да. Жертвовать.
Haven't received anything from you in a while, Mr. Morgan. I will.
Это еще. Не.
Thank you, Arthur.
Накоем пожертвуй дыры этим.
Yes. Yes, I did.
I never liked her.
I know. You already told me that.
Ideas above her station. Above anyone's station, that one.
I never liked the Catholics.
Arthur.
Maybe they're right. I need to confess.
That's a business I know nothing about, Reverend.
Только дать деньги, да? Ну, понятно.
Between you and God.
Понятненько. Понятненько. Ага, баран. Затроневан тодоров. Угара туран. Угар дегетту. Налить кофе. Кофе яка. Надо и тянет им. Шоколад.
Good morning.
Бля. Да, агылик мен да агалый ханны жабырдым, блядь. Да, бешкале. Бешкале. Блядь. Мен ебаппин доттан жобаны. Бартар ил китал.
Good morning, Arthur.
Мурада рават ватта.
Good morning, Arthur.
Доброе, доброе. Атым карам барат. Нам бабада карам барат. Бля, мунан да барарың. На бар. Ултыр. Влад. Верхоз. Дораба. Дораба.
Say, Morgan. Morgan, you got any hair pomade?
Boy.
Так. Наврати. Огорока. Огос кирпит. Огор сөзі. Варан шей. Ну, кенко. Ладно. Раққа барып кетчан. Хамай раққа барып.
Yeah.
Бар братан, раз қашай датында. Тақачыта кирелігі. Қачыта кирелік. Қачыта кирді дағаны бәйәсет нақайы. 3 günden kirerde bitir bile ohun bağı oldu. Kavra kitbay. Hoppa hoppa. Так, короче, мен блин, үлели барарайпын. Заданиеда толық сонбан барым. Үлели барықтап. Барықтақ. Блядь. Абы, тут охрана-то, ёбаный рот. Оба с меня дала, что ли? Не стреляй, не стреляй.
Mister, help! Hey, shut up. Get out. Right here. Act like you never saw this. Hey, hey! Shit, it is.
А, блядь, ты, сука.
You think you're in a dime novel?
Ай, ölüm battı, ölüm. Она var ya, hay. Ay ya, сука. Тух, бля. Сука, ölür hasta. Tamam öyle.
Mister, I don't hardly know what to say. Thanks, I guess.
Өлелеген. А, культура.
Hey, look.
Культурачан косталдык, кстати. Unda liberekta.
If you can get in that
Абы,
lockbox,
блядь, ты там кая
what
тащишь,
you
блядь.
want from it. It ain't stealing if it's already stolen.
Пиздец.
Got that right.
А чё так, можно выложиться, лидеры? А вот что-то атом ханавари. Пиздец, ты там кая тащишь? Вообще ведь не топся нахуй. Мебель. Пиздец. لا ريفولفر بس ليتنا تو تم قاعد داشت من خلنت بيجي جيدا يا يباو ناش كده تسنا تختار تختار اي من Блять, обязательно хандар галим да хахты durur bulursa bu posta ya. Böyle sağım. Haqta da haqta var. Им ола итрики ятықта бастаным тенекта. Бля то мен тоқтары күн.
Hey, Arthur. Good to see you.
Why? You want rescuing again, dear?
No. I got a plan to make it up to you.
Бля, токсибин.
Like you going off scouting and ending up in jail?
Come on. I know an overlook where we can watch for them coming in.
Агатгенна.
What are you
Вперед.
doing anyway, camping out here like some crazy hermit?
Can't exactly stay in town now, can I? And like I told you,
I ain't going back to Dutch without a peace offering.
So what's the deal with this coach?
What do you mean? Comes through about this time every day, like I said. The end.
I mean, how many men? Guns? Riders?
Nothing serious. It'll be fine.
I heard the bank's been hiring every trigger man they can get of late. The meaner, the better.
You worry too much.
Forgive me if I ain't wholly faithful in something an O'Driscoll told you when you was half drunk in a jail cell.
He kept yapping about it, saying how they've been hitting it on the regular. That's a good lead in my book.
Damn O'Driscolls are everywhere now.
Bastards got a hold of most of Big Valley. Heard they took over some big ranch north of here.
How the hell you and Lenny end up down here, anyway?
Oh, you know how it is? Few loose ends. Drink here, drink there.
What loose ends?
Nothing that needs to concern you.
Бля.
I always pay my share.
It concerns me when you put us in danger and we don't realize till it's
Ага,
too
там
late.
заебался ударить.
Like that move
Ищ
you pulled with
пора.
strawberries, making me kill half the
Свидания,
town
подали.
just for your precious guns.
Precious they are.
Cara, заебал, хантия, блядь. Вели время эти ёбаный.
I've seen you come full undone more than once now, and you only been running with us a few months.
Are we gonna rob this coach or bicker about it? What's done is done.
Guess we'll rob.
Братан, еще и бывает. Миниме либо дым. Тя еще и бывает. Бывает, бля.
Let's do it.
Как-то, блядь, как-то. Блядь, турара, блядь. Блядь, танкист поларин. Вообще,
All
блядь.
right, this is the spot. Hold up on this ridge.
Скальют, что ли?
Whoa there.
О, я скальют.
They should be here in a
Ну,
little
появится
bit.
совсем скоро.
Tied.
Which way will they be coming in?
Should be from over there. We need to hit them fast before they get into town.
Just don't lose your head this time.
Of course, tough guy.
Ой, блядь. Болтуны, ёбаный рот. Нападите на охранников. А, там молча. Там, да.
This is a robbery. Stop that coach right now.
Бам. 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 Вообще молча. А, садитесь.
No need to keep your face covered now. It's just you and me.
Бля, холодительно, бля. Вы чё? Бля? Вы чё? Блять. Садись-то, блядь. Ngồi cho khơi ta mà được. Là khá tốt rồi nhiều luôn. Anh olur dumdu.
Let's go, boy.
И? Что за баги, алло, блядь? А иди нахуй, короче. Заебал. Так, да ладно. До свидания. Я работать пошел. Я вар стрим, я. Еще может быть поиграть. Баруля Лидия была. И воскресенье. Я вар стрим, я.